Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of HYMC, a Nasdaq-listed stock that has recently caught the attention of traders and investors. In this video, we'll break down the latest price movements, key technical indicators, and what they might mean for the stock's future. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding these signals can help you make more informed decisions. Let's start by setting the stage with HYMC's current price and recent trading activity, before diving into the technical details that shape market sentiment. As of January 3, 2026, HYMC is trading at $24.40. This price reflects a significant upward movement over the past 3 months, especially when compared to its 52-week low of $2. The recent surge has brought HYMC close to its 52-week high of $29.80, positioning it at approximately 80% of its annual range. This context is crucial for understanding the momentum and potential volatility in the stock, setting the stage for a deeper dive into the technical indicators that are currently shaping trader behavior. Moving averages are foundational tools in technical analysis, helping to smooth out price data and identify trends. For HYMC, the short-term simple moving averages, SMA5 at 23.98 and SMA10 at 22.83, and exponential moving averages EMA5 at 23.78 and EMA10 at 22.17 are all trending above the longer-term averages. This alignment suggests a strong bullish trend, as the current price is consistently above these averages. The longer-term SMAs and EMAs, such as SMA 200 at 6.25 and EMA 200 at 7.75, further highlight the magnitude of the recent rally. Exponential moving averages, EMAs, give more weight to recent prices, making them particularly useful for identifying short-term momentum. HYMC's EMA5 and EMA10 are both above their respective longer-term EMAs, reinforcing the bullish sentiment. The EMA50 at 14.17 and EMA200 at 7.75 show just how far the price has come in a short period. This steep gradient in the EMAs is a classic sign of a strong uptrend, often attracting momentum traders looking to capitalize on continued upward movement. Bollinger Bands are a popular volatility indicator, showing how far prices deviate from a moving average. For HYMC, the upper band sits at 29.31, the middle at 17.62, and the lower at 5.94. The current price is much closer to the upper band, with a BB position of 79.01, indicating the stock is trading near the top of its recent range. This often signals strong bullish momentum, but also suggests the stock could be overbought or due for a pullback if volatility increases. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. HYMC's RSI 14 is at 75.37, well above the typical overbought threshold of 70. This suggests that the stock has been experiencing strong buying pressure, but it also raises caution for potential short-term corrections. High RSI values can persist in strong trends, but traders often watch for signs of reversal when RSI remains elevated for extended periods. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) is a trend-following momentum indicator. HYMC's MACD value is 3.8, with a signal line at 3.24 and a histogram of 0.559. The MACD is above its signal line, indicating bullish momentum, though the MACD momentum at -0.014 hints at a possible slowdown in acceleration. Traders often look for crossovers and histogram changes as early signals of trend shifts, so it's important to monitor these values closely as the stock continues to move. Volume is a key factor in confirming price movements. HYMC's recent trading sessions have seen significant spikes in volume, especially during the late December rally. The on-balance volume OBV stands at 225,515,026, reflecting strong accumulation. High volume on up days and a rising OBV typically confirm bullish trends, suggesting that institutional investors may be participating in the move. However, sudden drops in volume or OBV reversals can signal weakening momentum. Momentum indicators help gauge the strength of a price move. HYMC's Momentum 10 is at 10.4 and Momentum 20 is at 12.96, both indicating robust upward force. The rate of change, ROC 14, is an impressive 97.41, showing that the stock has nearly doubled over the past 14 days. These high momentum readings are typical in fast-moving markets, but they can also precede periods of consolidation or correction as the market digests rapid gains. The average directional index, ADX, measures the strength of a trend, regardless of direction. HYMC's ADX 14 is at 48.93, which is considered a very strong trend. The plus DI 14 at 40.12 and minus DI 14 at 14.24 further confirm that the current trend is bullish. A high ADX combined with a strong positive directional index suggests that the uptrend is robust and likely to persist unless a significant reversal occurs. Identifying key support and resistance levels is essential for planning trades. For HYMC, the immediate resistance is at $25.30 while support is at $22.93. The pivot point, a widely used technical level, is at $23.82. These levels often act as psychological barriers where price action may pause, reverse, or accelerate. Traders watch these points closely to set stop losses, take profits, or enter new positions, especially in volatile markets. Volatility measures how much the price fluctuates over a given period. HYMC's average true range, ATR 14, is 2.23, indicating relatively high daily price swings. The true volatility is 9.12 and the volatility 30 is 10.1, both reflecting the stock's recent explosive moves. High volatility can present both opportunities and risks, as prices can move sharply in either direction. Traders should adjust position sizes and risk management strategies accordingly. The stochastic oscillator compares a particular closing price to a range of prices over a certain period. HYMC stock K14 is at 67.42 and stock D14 at 67.29, both in the upper range but not yet overbought. The stock RSI K at 23.4 and stock RSI D at 7.21 suggest that while the broader trend is strong, short-term momentum may be cooling. These mixed signals can indicate a potential pause or minor pullback before the next move. Assessing risk and reward is crucial for any trading decision. HYMC's risk-reward ratio stands at 0.404, indicating that the potential reward is less than the risk at current levels. The technical score is 50, suggesting a balanced outlook, while the trend quality index at 39.65 and momentum score at 152.25 highlight strong but potentially unsustainable momentum. Traders should weigh these factors carefully, especially after such a rapid price increase. In summary, HYMC has experienced a dramatic rally over the past 3 months, with technical indicators showing strong bullish momentum, high volatility, and elevated risk. While the trend remains positive, several indicators suggest caution, including overbought RSI levels and a less favorable risk-reward profile. As always, it's important to combine technical analysis with sound risk management and to stay alert for any signs of trend reversal. Thanks for joining this deep dive into HYMC's technical landscape.